In this video, I will be showing us how to manage and monitor fee collection, from sending payment links to parents to viewing payment records and notifying fee defaulters. We'll also look at managing discounts, issuing out collectible items, and printing payment receipts. To get started, kindly log in as an admin and select the fee option at the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the student list option. This gives you a view of all students in an invoice assigned class. To have more views, click More Rows. To send out fee payment link to parents, click on the empty box beside the students. This action highlights the Send Payment Link option. Do note that the portal sends the link to only students with outstanding fees. You may choose to add more students to the list. Scroll down and select the messaging method and send link to complete the process. Parents with outstanding fees would get an email with a link and instructions on how to clear the outstanding. On the portal, you can view payment records by navigating through the filter options, either by session, by term, or by class level. You can also select the payment type to view students with outstanding fees, overpaid, part paid, or unpaid fees. This record can be downloaded as a PDF file or an Excel sheet. With the SAFSIMS school portal, you can also notify fee defaulters, including a message on the notification. To do this, click on the empty box beside students, and the Notify Defaulters option becomes highlighted. Enter a topic, and contents of the notification. To send this, click on the Send option. An email is automatically sent to all defaulters. To manage discounts for students, click on the student's name. Select the action option in black at the right-hand side of the screen. Click on Manage Discounts. Discount type can be given on all items or on a single item. This can be a percentage discount or a fixed amount. I will be given a percentage discount on the single item PTA. Click on Save to complete the process. Automatically, a 2% discount has been given on the PTA item and recorded against the student. Collectible items after being issued out can be recorded on the portal. This record would also reflect on the parent side as item issued out. To do this, select the student by clicking on the name of the student. Scroll down and select the collectible item to issue out by clicking on the action options. Select Issue Out. Confirm and complete the process by clicking on the Yes, Issue Out. Receipt of payment can be printed out by navigating to the Payment History option. All payments made with the details of payment can be viewed. Click on View Receipt to view and print a copy. Notice the outstanding balance indicated, if any, to help keep a proper track of payment for every student.